E pluribus unum.
One for all,
And all for one. E pluribus unum to us means that in the classroom, the students have been able to create a sense of unity and community with their teacher and peers. One way to facilitate classroom unity is to create a classroom handshake. A handshake is something all students will be able to do in passing or on the playground at recess. It is a fun way to have the students bond and feel like they know each other, which will create more of a community. Another way to help students bond is to create a classroom password. The password can be used as the students enter or leave the classroom. The teacher can also use the password to transition the students from one activity to the next. It is a good idea to have a classroom meeting and allow the students to come up with the password on their own. If they keep it between themselves and their peers, then the password will create a fun and inviting atmosphere for the students. I also like the idea of having a classroom t-shirt. Students at the beginning of the year could draw a picture of themselves and then have the teacher print them on a t-shirt like the one seen here. The students can choose days to wear their t-shirts, either for field trips or spirit days. It will really help them all feel like they are a part of something important. I've seen this done before and the students absolutely love it. They even choose to wear them when they go to the older grades. The idea will definitely create a classroom community that other classes can see.
Since E pluribus unum in the classroom means that students are able to create a sense of unity and community with their teacher and peers, responsibility and democracy are important elements of that community. If we want to teach children to be responsible, we have to trust them with responsibilities. Classroom jobs are an effective way to enlist students in the duties of running a classroom. Classroom jobs help to create a learning environment in which all students are participants in the classroom community and have jobs that are equally respected. Giving students a choice in the classroom lets students take ownership in their learning. Whether it is something small such as a material for an art project or choosing a more complex choice like deciding on a science fair project, choices allow students to feel as if they are empowered during their learning. This ownership students feel will affect the rest of the classroom community, bringing them together because they are loving how and what they are learning.
Classroom meetings are a democratic strategy that provide the teacher and students the opportunity to collaborate and discuss important issues pertaining to their specific class. The teacher's main role is to serve as a facilitator, allowing students to govern the majority of the meeting.
You're doing it right now. And when mentioning problems, say people instead of using names. We've been working all year on building a safe community. And lately, we've been talking a lot about playground challenges. And one of the things that has bothered you is that you've been feeling left out, and that really upset you. So today, we're going to talk more about ways that we can make sure that we all feel included in our community. So before we talk about ways to feel more included, we're going to take some time and talk about how you feel when you are left out of something. Have you ever been left out of a group activity? Just think about that for a minute. What happened when you were left out of that group activity?
The idea of bucket fillers is based on Dr. Clifton's metaphor of the bucket and the dipper. A bucket filler is someone who says or does nice things for other people. Students are encouraged to fill buckets by recording secret acts of service, saying kind words, and compliments about their students.